children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
So today we are going to play fruit game.
Fruit game? Fruit game. What is that?
In this game, I will show you a picture of a fruit. Something like this. Can you see a picture of a fruit?
Yes, miss.
You have to tell me the name of the fruit.
Okay. Okay, miss.
Okay, so let's play. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss. Miss.
Yes, Monami.
I get a star.
In this game, you will get a smiley.
Charlie?
Yes, smiley. So let's start. Okay, tell me now. Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
This is an apple.
Very good.
Hello kids, I'm an apple. You might have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, because I'm full of vitamin A, B and C. You can have me in so many ways like apple juice, apple sauce, apple pie, apple cake, etc. etc. etc.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Banana. Banana?
Yes. Hi kids, I'm banana. I'm long and yellow. I'm rich in fiber. I'm easy to digest. I supply fuel to your brain. And I know you all love banana shakes. Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Mango. Mango.
Good.
Hey kids, I'm mango. I'm a seasonal fruit and yellow in color. I am very delicious to eat. I am a rich source of vitamins and minerals. You can have me in any form, like mango ice cream, mango shakes, mango candies, etc. etc. and even as pickle when I'm raw.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Orange?
Yes, this is an orange.
Hi, I'm an orange and orange in color. I'm full of vitamin C. I'm juicy and sweet. I will help you to stay healthy and active. You can have me in any form like orange juice, orange ice cream, orange cake, marmalade, orange candies, orange biscuit. So many of them.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
I don't know.
Okay, this is pomegranate. Say pomegranate.
Pomegranate?
Yes, pomegranate.
Pomegranate?
Yes, good.
Hello children, I am pomegranate. I am red in color with a thick outer covering and many seeds. I am also known as the miracle fruit. I am a rich source of vitamins and folic acid, which is good for your blood. Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this? Coconut.
Yes, good.
Hello kids, I am coconut. I have a hard brown shell outside and white edible flesh inside. I am also known as the stone fruit. I am filled with water known as coconut water, which has many benefits. The white portion can be eaten fresh or dried or even processed into coconut milk or coconut oil.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this? No, miss.
Avocado. This is an avocado.
Avocado. Avocado. Hello, children. I am avocado. I am green in color. My taste is very unique. I have lots of health benefits. Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this? Pineapple? Yes, very good. Seems that pineapple is your favorite fruit? Yes.
Hello kids, I am pineapple. I am a tropical fruit. My peel is hard and brown. I am yellow on the inside. I am full of magnesium, which helps to keep your bones strong and healthy. I am juicy and delicious.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this? Custard apple. Very good.
Hello kids, I am custard apple. I am a heart-shaped fruit with a creamy granular textured flesh with lots of seeds. I have wound healing benefits.
Let us go to next. Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this? Forgotten.
Dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Yes, this is dragon fruit.
Hello, children. I am dragon fruit. I am red in color with green scales. The white pulp with tiny black seeds is the edible portion. Though I am exotic, but my taste is like a combination of a kiwi and a pear. I have lots of health benefits.
So dear children, have you seen how fruits are important source of vitamins and minerals? So you must eat fruits, which will boost your immune system. That is, it will give you lots of energy and make your body healthy and strong.
Well done, Monami. And you will get a big smiley. Thank you, Miss.
So hope you have enjoyed playing fruit game with Monami. Did you enjoy Monami?
Yes.
So see you in our next episode, children. Till then, bye.
And friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye.